Hey, it's Paul Salt, and I'm demoing a new app idea. I'm playing around with shooting everything live, and I made a little app to run my slideshow basically from my Markdown notes. So I want to have Markdown notes, and I just want to run through them sort of point by point. And so I've got a sample of that in here, just this stuff right here. And this lets me then demo whatever I'm doing. So in this one, I want to showcase like running an application in Xcode and using keyboard shortcuts. So using the keyboard shortcuts to run an app. And then I can cycle to the next one with the mouse wheel and then talk about that and talk about the different run destinations. So being able to customize that with Control-Shift-0, we can run this on my iPad instead of my actual Mac, or we can run this on a simulator and sort of just talking through the points. So this is kind of a live tool. Now imagine being able to go into full screen mode as well at the click of some kind of button, and then to exit that to go back here so that you could sort of create an interactive experience, and then potentially remote control it from the iPad. So you're potentially doing some of these actions from the iPad, having a summary view where it shows all of the running and testing keyboard shortcuts on one flow. And this can be whatever content you want. And then we can be in another section like version control, and it just automatically goes through those. I'm in a mode right now that's just giving me a bulleted list, and this is helpful because I want to do a bulleted list video topic. And so this allows me to talk through those points sequentially. Then I don't have to go back in and edit any of them in post, and I've just got some simple structure to sort of guide the presentation. I'm on screen, I'm talking, I'm doing stuff, and it's pretty much chop the front, chop the end, and post to YouTube. So I want to create like technical trainings and work on some app ideas. The goal is to have like a minimalist design, sort of like this timer UI that I'm refining, so that when you're not over it, all these controls are hidden if they're unnecessary, and it's just a clean look. So that's kind of what I'm playing around with. Let me know what you think.